Ever wondered what your favorite celebrities have for breakfast? What fuels their energy for the day? Breakfast, they say, is the most important meal of the day. It fuels us, energizes us, and sets the tone for the hours to come. But not all breakfasts are created equal. Some are simple, some are extravagant, and some are simply out of this world. Today we're taking a look at what's on the breakfast table of some of the most recognized faces in America. From the former First Lady to the Queen of Twitter, from a seasoned news anchor to a top chef host, we'll delve into their morning routines and the nutritional benefits of their first meal of the day. We'll uncover the secrets behind Michelle Obama's 3-ingredient breakfast, Chrissy Teigen's protein-packed bowl, Katie Couric's versatile morning meal, and Padma Lakshmi's tea-infused start to the day. Stay tuned as we reveal the morning routines of Michelle Obama, Chrissy Teigen, Katie Couric, and Padma Lakshmi. Michelle Obama, the former First Lady, had a simple yet nutritious breakfast growing up. This might surprise you, but Michelle was not always a fan of traditional breakfast foods. In fact, she was quite a picky eater. For years, her day began with a humble peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Yes, you heard it right. A PB&J was her go-to breakfast. This sandwich, though simple, offered a balance of essential nutrients to kickstart her day. The protein from the peanuts, the carbohydrates from the bread, and the hint of sweetness from the jelly all worked together to provide a well-rounded, satisfying morning meal. But as we all know, too much of a good thing can lead to food fatigue. And that's exactly what happened with Michelle. With time, her taste buds craved something different. Imagine having the same thing for breakfast every single day. In her 20s, she decided to explore other breakfast options. It was then that she discovered her love for eggs. Eggs, as we know, are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. But it wasn't just about the taste or the nutritional value. Switching her breakfast routine also had to do with her daughter's peanut allergy. As a responsible and caring mother, Michelle chose to eliminate peanut butter from her breakfast routine. So, what can we learn from Michelle's breakfast story? It's all about balance and variety. Protein, carbohydrates, and a little sweetness can make for a nutritious start to the day. And if your taste buds yearn for a change, don't hesitate to mix things up. After all, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So, a simple PB&J sandwich or a protein-packed egg could be your ticket to a healthy start, just like Michelle Obama. Next up, we have Chrissy Teigen, the queen of delectable dishes. Known for her culinary prowess and her love for good food, Chrissy's choice for the most important meal of the day is a balanced blend of protein, healthy fats, and a dash of spice. Every morning, Chrissy starts her day with a nutrient-rich breakfast bowl packed with 2 eggs over easy avocado and turkey bacon. This isn't just a random assortment of ingredients, but a thoughtfully crafted meal that serves a purpose. Eggs, as many of you might know, are a fantastic source of protein. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals, making them a wholesome and satisfying choice for breakfast. And when it comes to avocado, this creamy fruit is a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats, the kind that's good for your heart. It's also high in fiber, keeping you full and preventing those mid-morning snack cravings. Then there's the turkey bacon, a leaner alternative to traditional bacon, offering a delicious crunch without the guilt. It provides the protein Chrissy needs to keep her energy levels up throughout her busy mornings. But what's a Chrissy Teigen meal without a bit of flavor? To add that extra zing to her breakfast, Chrissy chops everything up into a bowl and seasons it with salt, pepper, and a dash of Cholula hot sauce. The hot sauce not only adds a kick to the meal, but also fires up the metabolism, making this breakfast not just tasty, but also beneficial for maintaining a healthy weight. So there you have it, a hearty bowl of eggs, avocado, and turkey bacon, sprinkled with some seasoning, keeps Chrissy satiated throughout the morning. It's a breakfast that is as nutritious as it is delicious, and it's easy to see why Chrissy loves starting her day with it. News anchor Katie Couric keeps her breakfast simple and nutritious. Now let's delve into the morning routine of esteemed news anchor Katie Couric. Katie's breakfast is all about simplicity, yet doesn't compromise on nutrition. One of her go-to options is a slice of sprouted wheat toast with a spread of peanut butter. Sprouted wheat toast is an excellent source of whole grains, which are essential for heart health and digestion. The peanut butter adds a boost of protein and healthy fats, making it a balanced choice to kickstart her day. When Katie feels like switching it up, she opts for a bowl of low-sugar cereal. In an age where sugar-laden breakfast cereals are all too common, Katie's choice of low-sugar cereal is a breath of fresh air. With less sugar, her cereal of choice likely provides a good dose of fiber, essential for supporting a healthy digestive system. Not to mention, it's a quick and easy option for those busy mornings when time is of the essence. And lastly, Katie sometimes enjoys an egg for breakfast, prepared either hard-boiled or fried in a small amount of oil. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients, providing high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Whether hard-boiled or lightly fried, they make a versatile and nutritious breakfast choice. With a variety of options in her breakfast repertoire, Katie ensures that her mornings are fueled with nutrient-rich foods. She demonstrates that a healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It's all about choosing nutrient-dense foods that provide the energy and sustenance needed to power through the day. With a focus on low-sugar and high-protein foods, Katie Couric's breakfast choices are a testament to her healthy eating habits. Top Chef host Padma Lakshmi starts her day on a light and refreshing note. When you're a well-known food connoisseur like Padma Lakshmi, your breakfast routine is bound to be interesting. So what does Padma Lakshmi have for breakfast? Her morning meal is a well-rounded fusion of flavors and nutrition. Her breakfast usually consists of a cup of Earl Grey tea, a boiled egg, a piece of sourdough toast, and a grapefruit, sometimes drizzled with hot sauce. Let's delve into the benefits of her breakfast choices. Starting with a cup of Earl Grey tea, it's not just a soothing beverage to wake up to. It's packed with antioxidants, and the bergamot in it can potentially help reduce cholesterol and promote weight loss. Next up, the humble boiled egg. It's a powerhouse of protein, vitamins, and minerals. It fuels Padma's day by providing essential amino acids and keeping her feeling full and satisfied. Then, there's the piece of sourdough toast. This bread, made through a slow fermentation process, is easier to digest and can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's a source of carbohydrates that provides that necessary morning energy. And finally, the grapefruit. This citrus fruit is a vitamin C powerhouse, boosting the immune system and promoting healthy skin. Drizzling it with a little hot sauce adds a spicy kick, stimulating the metabolism and making this breakfast even more exciting. Every component of Padma's breakfast is thoughtfully chosen, providing a balance of nutrients. It's a testament to her belief in the power of good food and the role it plays in maintaining our health. A balanced meal of protein, carbohydrates, and vitamin C is how Padma Lakshmi kickstarts her day. From simple sandwiches to hearty bowls, our favorite celebrities sure know how to start their day right. We've journeyed through the breakfast routines of Michelle Obama, Chrissy Teigen, Katie Couric, and Padma Lakshmi. We learned that a childhood favorite, the peanut butter and jelly sandwich, sustained Michelle Obama with essential proteins and carbohydrates. Chrissy Teigen keeps her breakfast full of protein and healthy fats with eggs, avocado, and turkey bacon. Katie Couric opts for the nutritious simplicity of sprouted wheat toast with peanut butter or low-sugar cereal, while Padma Lakshmi balances her breakfast with a boiled egg, sourdough toast, and a grapefruit. Each of these meals provides the nutrients needed to kickstart the day, showcasing that breakfast really is the most important meal. So next time you're wondering what to have for breakfast, why not take a leaf out of our celebrities' books? For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous, healthy, and keep enjoying your breakfast.